what is a business report? Okay, clear, right? So business report now, it was generic normal report. Okay, so now we come to the business report. Now, what is a business report basically is? So it's a written document, okay, that contains information regarding business matters. Okay, so what is a business matter going on, and you get information about that. Okay, so it is business report is specifically about your business. So it's not a common reporting. Okay, it's about the business you have it. Okay. Purpose to approve managerial decision. So what is the purpose? Okay, that your manager could easily improve his decision. Sometimes if he decide without reporting, so it is like baseless random decision, which is wrong, which is most likely there is like 50 or more than 50% chances that it will be wrong. Source. So what is the source? So it's the data. So data is a source from, it can be from inside of the organization, or it can be from outside the organization via the use of ETL. So what is the ETL? In chapter number 2 we talk about ETL. Remember, extract, transform, and load. Right. So from different data sources, you extract the data, you transform it into the data warehousing, and then load it. Okay. So this is so we can receive. So this kind of like decision or like reporting is called data driven. Okay. Format. It can be text format. It can be in tables. Okay. It can be in the form of graph and charts over there. Okay. Distribution, how you distribute the reports to your manager or to your line manager or to any your subordinate. So you can send some print reports, you can print the report and then give on his table. You can send by email or through the portal, okay, through the dashboard or through the intranet. Intranet means the network within organization. Okay, only the people within organization they can like access it. Other people outside they cannot access it. Okay, just like in banks, usually in banks they have intranet. Only the data, the network, the bank people inside the bank they can use it. Even the people outside they cannot use it. If someone want to use it from outside the bank, so they used VPN for it. So it's called VPN, virtual private network, VPN. Okay. Data acquisitions. Okay, so what are the process in the business reporting? We have the most important thing is the data acquisition. You acquire the data, you acquisite the data, you take the data from different resources, you generate the information over there, and then you make a decision, and then the whole process management is done over there. Okay, so process management is very much important nowadays, and now we have another discipline which is called process engineering. Okay, so process, some people do like bachelor in process engineering, master in process engineering, and even PhD in process engineering to improve the quality of the process. And I told you that the process, how the process is important. Initially, at the start of this course, I give you two most important example about the importance of the processes. So when I give you the Aramco example, how we can improve in seconds. If you improve the second in the process, how are you gonna get benefit of it? And the process which is like sometimes you need days, like for example in supply chain management, if you improve the days, like if China is transferring the luggage and all things to the Middle East or other part of the world, so how the days are important for them. Okay, so in both cases the process management or process improvement is like it gives you help in improving your businesses. Okay, and how you can improve your businesses, you generate your more revenue.